You know, one tool I think every YouTuber needs, and like, whether you're starting out or you've been doing this for a while, I guess every vlogger or something, everybody needs a drone. Like, the amount of shots that you can get that like just really up the production value of your videos are crazy. Weather's looking okay. Let's try to set up. So we're gonna set up the drone right here. I think we're gonna be able to get some pretty cool shots today. Like, we're gonna get some stuff of that bridge down over there, probably some farm stuff down over that way. But I think we're gonna get some cool stuff. So yeah, let's go. Getting windy out here. You probably hear it in the mic. I'm really sorry if it's super loud. I started getting a bunch of strong wind warnings with this thing. I mean, look at this thing. This thing comes in at 249 grams. The wind was bullying it. So what we're gonna try to do, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna get out of here. It's so fucking cold out here. I'm not having a good time. Flying the drone was fun. The wind and the cold, no, not about it. Washington's like a really beautiful state, and like the weather isn't too bad, but the winter is like, it's not fun. So I'm gonna try to shoot a little bit of B-roll with the new lens because I want to test that out. I want to get better with it. The whole plan for today's vlog was kind of just to get better with A, flying the drone, and then B, getting like good B-roll shots. So that's what I'm gonna try to do before I leave. Dude, it kind of sucks though, because like when I was flying it, like, it was getting so windy that I'm like fully just pinned trying to go forward, and it was drifting to like completely to the right. So, I mean, I'm glad I think I got some good shots, but like there was a lot of things that I wanted to do. I wanted to fly under the bridge, but with this wind, dude, like there was no way I was going to chance that. It's like, that was going in the river. The drone was 100% going to go in the river if I did that. So, it wouldn't have been that big of a deal. I have like an insurance plan on it, but like it would have pissed me off. I would not have been happy. So we're gonna shoot some B-roll. We're gonna go get food, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So let's do that.
I've realized that I'm dying to tell you
this is pretty cool. While I was filming that B-roll, you guys saw that the historic floods on the Snoqualmie River. Like, check this out. So it's got this, like, you got this pole and it shows you like where the water went for like each flood. Like, look at this. In 2009, if I was standing here, I'd be completely underwater. And that's just nuts. But I've been out here for like 2 hours now, so I'm gonna go home or get food first and then go home. But my nose is running. It's windy as hell. Like, it ain't good. But we got the little Osmo Pocket recording a time lapse, and when that's done, then we're gonna dip. So yeah, when the Osmo Pocket is done recording that time lapse, I'll probably let it go for another like 5-10 minutes just to get like a good amount of footage for what I need it for. Then we'll get out of here, because dude, it is like, my nose is running. It is cold. It's cold. I don't like it. I'm also kind of interested to see how this time lapse goes, because while I was recording it, I pulled the drone out again for a little bit just to get a couple more shots with a different filter on it, just to see what the colors look like. And some little kids came over and were asking me a bunch of questions they got on the table, and I think they might have gotten in the way of the time lapse. So if that happened, then I guess we'll see. But dude, this is like the one thing that I didn't want to do. I was like, the whole reason I wasn't vlogging for like 2 years is I didn't think I would be able to do it in public. But today, we conquered that fear a little bit. We had a bunch of people looking at us. I was walking by like, what the hell is that guy doing talking to his camera? And I think once you get over that, it's honestly not that bad. People don't really care what you're doing with your life as much as you think. Like, you might think you look dumb, but it's whatever. I think once you get over the fear of talking to the camera in public, I think you're totally good. But it's like, you just got to do it. It's that first time that you actually go out and vlog with other people around. That's like the scariest part. But once you're done with that, you're good. But like I said, for like 2 years, I was making excuses as to why I shouldn't be going out and recording myself doing things. And I always said that my life wasn't exciting enough to do it. But you can honestly make a video just sitting in your own house, not doing anything, and then just, it's all about being creative. But that's a whole nother story. Let's go get food. We're getting tacos, baby. I'm actually just getting my brother tacos. I'm getting a carne asada burrito, because if you've ever been to Ixtapa and Duval, you know that shit is heat. I mean, it's good. It's good. It's super good. But I made the call on the phone, or made the order on the phone just like a little bit ago. That park I was at flying the drone around is like right down the street. So it's going to be a couple minutes. So we're going to get that food, bring it to my brother, and then I'll probably talk to you guys for a little bit. So stay tuned. Bag has been secured. We got the food, so we're heading back home now. I don't know how much longer this video is going to be, but I do want to touch on the topic I was talking about earlier. So let's go ahead and get home here. When I walked in there, they were all looking at me. So dude, it's like, that's the one thing. That's the one thing I'm still going to have a little bit of getting used to. It's just like having everybody look at you super weird because you have this camera with the big, huge microphone on top. But I chose this life. I chose it. And we're about to grind now. So yeah, let's go bring this food back to my brother before it gets cold. Whoa. You good? So I'm going to eat that because that looks amazing. And then I'll see you guys in a second. But I need to get down on that. coming out here to talk to you guys about a little something. So yeah, to kind of touch back on the topic that I was talking about earlier, was like vlogging in public and just vlogging in general and starting a YouTube channel. A lot of people always fall into this like idea and this mindset that like their life isn't as exciting as other people's, so they just decide, oh, I don't do enough cool stuff, I might as well just not even make a channel until I start doing cool stuff, or I start going to events, or things change, and then I can start making a YouTube channel and start thinking about making content. But it's like, I feel like that is so wrong, because, I mean, I was a victim of that too. The whole reason I just now started vlogging was because of that. But then I thought to myself, I'm like, geez, it's getting windy out here. I thought to myself, it's like, if I don't start now, when I actually do go to like an event that I want to vlog, it's not going to be a good video, because I haven't been editing vlogs, I haven't been doing it, like, you know what I mean? Like, I haven't been shooting B-roll, I haven't been doing anything to make a good video, and I haven't been practicing it either. So it's like today, for example, was just like, I wasn't planning on doing anything crazy, but today's video was literally just me going out, driving around, and practicing my, like, just practicing stuff that I do for YouTube. Like, I got a new lens, so I wanted to see what it looked like on my camera. I wanted to fly my drone, get better at getting shots on my drone, try out different ND filters on the drone. Like, everything today was just to practice and get better, so that the next video that I put out is even better than this one. And that's like the whole point for today. And it's like, that kind of just goes to show, even though I wasn't doing anything crazy, I was still able to make a video. And it all comes down to creativity and like what you want to be doing. And I'm happy with what I did today. Like, today I left the house at like 11:30 a.m. It's now 5 p.m. and I just got home with food for my brother and stuff. And it's like, today was really fun. So even though you might not be doing the craziest stuff, or you might not be going to any events, I mean, the times that we live in, there's not much going on anyway. So it's like, are we just going to sit around and not do anything? So I'm just trying to take advantage of my opportunity. And I bought a few things for YouTube. I got the drone, the new camera. I got the Osmo Pocket, which was actually, a funny story, it was actually going to be my vlogging camera in the first place, but I decided to do a little bit of an upgrade and get this Sony A6400. But that's beside the point. Basically, what I'm just trying to say is if you are planning on starting a channel, and like, you'll see a lot of other channels say this, it's like, the number one tip that I see a lot of YouTube channels give you for vlogging and starting a channel is just do it. And that's, just like by experience, like, now that I'm actually going out and doing stuff for YouTube, like, it starts becoming easier. It starts becoming second nature. Right now, for me, I think the hardest thing for me is like getting enough B-roll. I know with my first video, I didn't film enough B-roll, and I felt like when I was editing it, I was like, I don't have enough angles, I don't have enough, like, so then this video I recorded a lot more, so we'll see if I got some good shots and everything. But I just wanted to make this little PSA at the end of this video to be like, if you're planning on making a YouTube channel and starting to vlog, just fucking do it. Just do it. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I kind of want to relax now that I got home. I've been out doing stuff, and it's been like really cold. Like, today was really fun, but it sucked how cold it was. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked the video. I love you guys. Peace.